Department of Computer Science and Engineering organized a workshop on IoT automation and robotics at Janata Hindi Science and Technology College. At first, they were introduced with a microcontroller ESP32 and the simulation software. They learned how to design a circuit using simulation software and how to code Arduino. Their first simple project was blinking a LED using a microcontroller. They used a ESP32, jumper wires, LED and resistor. They programmed and uploaded the program to the ESP32 and it worked. All the students were so happy and motivated for exploring new things. A new journey of JHSTC.